The Poly Studio G62 is designed for a quick setup. The base of the Studio G62 has built-in magnets that allow it to be easily mounted to a metal surface such as an AV rack shelf, back of the monitor, or to the optional poly mounting plate. If you are using the mounting plate, find the location you would like to install it. Once identified, peel the tape from the back of the panel of the mount. This temporary hold will allow you to take the time to properly secure the plate to the wall. Once the mounting plate is secured, you are now able to mount your Poly Studio G62. If you are using the optional PoE Plus adapter, it can be mounted on the metal mounting plate using the built-in magnets. You are now able to connect your required cables. You will find a cable loop adapter that can be used for convenient cable management. The setup from here may vary slightly depending upon what types of monitors, controllers, cameras, and microphones you are using with the Studio G62. There are videos on the installation and setup for the TC10 controller as well as different cameras. For additional information on the Poly Studio G62 and other Poly video solutions, please visit hp.com.